As we continue this session, I trust that today proceedings will reflect the spirit of mutual respect and constructive dialogue that this House stands for. We shall now take up the business for the day. Postponed star question.
Speaker's a point of order. Okay.
Under Rule 49(2) of Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business of Goa Legislative Assembly, I would like to postpone star question number 1A to the next session. Similarly, another unstart question number 010, tabled by Alex Regional. I would like to postpone it to the next session. It's a comprehensive reply, so I want to give a proper reply. Though it is unstart, I want to give a proper reply. So these both may be postponed to the next session.
Speaker sir, एक point of order. आयच्या दिसाक जेन्ना आनी I would like to bring it to your notice that today a lot of answers that are given to us, basically the replies sub judice, most of the cases, whatever replies we have got, specifically I will place it on the table of the House. Today it is our right to, Speaker sir, debate on even matters that are sub judice. It is, we should not speak on the merit of the case. But आज example, सगळे answers mainly दिले sub judice. We are here these matters are taken using public fund. If we cannot selectively जोरीतोर आमी sub judice matters declare करचे ना. Example, मुखेलमंत्री आंदा गोंयभर भोंवता मजे घर तेगे घर काय न्हू तें मजे घर स्कीम तेंय sub judice. पूण तो पेरगांव इतलो मोगान लोकांचे इतलो मोगान आसा इतलो मुरगोटा आसोता इतलो मुरगोटा ते तुवें सांगपा जाय सब जुडिस तुमकां जाय तसले सिलेक्टिव सब जुडिस. स्पीकर सर, this is not fair. It is our right of all the members here. Sub judice matters needs to be discussed. Secondly, Speaker sir, जे आज point of order आमचे चिंबेलचो लोक आज they are protesting. They met Honorable Chief Minister yesterday. हांव केलो तेदो आपोवं नाय पयलीं दिसा म्हणून आपयतो मो. But today their demand is जे सब जुडिस आज या सरकारान एक सब जुडिस खातें सब जुडिस डिपार्टमेंट नेक्स्ट सेशन हम सगळे सब जुडिस आणि एक खातें उक्ती करचे पोस्टपोनमेंट खातें म्हणजे पोस्टपोन करू जाल्यार थिंग घालप टाक 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 ही दोन्ही खाती करची. व्हॉट आर वी डुईंग आणि हे चिंबेल्स लोकालेले डिमांड आहे की होल्ड जे कोर्टाची ऑर्डर आहा keep that order. Speaker sir, हे तुम्ही चॅलेंज करपा न्हू. This is what is their demand. So I think Honorable Chief Minister, you need to look into this and basically initiate a dialogue. Otherwise, there will be a law and order problem. Today there are not hundreds, thousands will be there. And yes, sub judice for muta. Please give us an answer. So whether Majegar should be discussed here or no. Chief Minister today will speak. Governor also spoke about Majegar. That should be discussed or no. तुम जाय तितले आज मादई सब जुडिस, CZMP सब जुडिस, TCP सब जुडिस, टाइगर रिजर्व सब जुडिस, जॉब रिक्रुटमेंट सब जुडिस, हा तितले सब जुडिस. तो एक सब जुडिस खाते तुम्ही नेक्स्ट टाइम ओपन करचे. आम्ही ते सब जुडिस डिपार्टमेंटा मागी थंय घाता. हे चोयल्यार मुखेलमंत्री बाब तूं दोतोर हांव विमानाचो पायलट हे चोयल्यार हे करोस आमी मागी आदोगाद जातले आनी आमचे स्पीकर जुईज जातले अशें दिसता.
सर आणि चिंबलचो विषय जो काढला पळय न्ही तो हांव मेन्शन करपा खातीर उबो रावलो. काल तेंच्याकडे डायलॉग ऑलरेडी सुरवात केला. तेंच्याकडे वेगवेगळ्यो गजाली त्या संदर्भात उलयल्या. हांव आयज परतूय सांगता तेंच्यातले 4 जाण कोण आहा ते उलोवपाक येवचे. आमी डिस्कशनाक ओपन आसा. तांच्यांनी आंदोलन करचें न्ही हांव ताका सांगता कारण ड्यू रिस्पेक्ट टू देम सगळे म्हणजे
काल डिमांड ऑर्डर तुम्ही चॅलेंज करपा नाही ऑर्डर तू चॅलेंज करू नाका.
तांकां कितें सांगलां तें तुका सांगलां तेंच्यांनी
हय सांगलां आमकां.
काल ते जेन्ना उलयल्या तेन्ना ऑर्डरूय मेळूंक नाशिल्ली. ऑर्डर तेज्या उपरांत मेळ्ळ्या. ऑर्डरीच्या संदर्भात तांकां कितें विचारपाक जाय आसलें जाल्यार आयज येवन तेंच्यांनी 4 जाणांनी उलोवनी. आमी ताका सांगलां
ऑर्डर तुवें वाचल्या.
ऑर्डर आज वाचले हांवें.
माय ऑर्डरा प्रमाणे व्हॉट इज युअर डिसिजन? आर यू गोइंग टू चॅलेंज इट इन द कोर्ट?
आय वॉन्ट टू टेक द लीगल ओपिनियन. हांवें आयजूच
दिस इज लीगल ओपिनियन. स्पीकर सर, this is not the people.
Postpone star question number 3.
पंचा सरपंच आणि लॉ अँड ऑर्डर प्रॉब्लेम करपा जाय.
Wednesday Vegas, postpone star question 3A. Postpone star question 3A.
एक कॉल कर रे कॉल इट आउट.
तेका याद ना. 3A मोड रे. तुका याद ना तुका
postpone question 3A.
He called.
म्हाका सांगपा जाय आता तो पळय विषय करता पोस्टपोनमेंट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन ऑल्सो इज अ राइट ऑफ द मिनिस्टर. Even a member under 49(1) is allowed to withdraw his question. These are rights. These are according to the rules. These are the rules if he does not read them. बेश्टे कित्याचेर विषय याचेर इश्यू केलो म्हणजे जायना स्पीकर सर.
Call out to 3A.
Question start question number 1.
Answer provided.
कोणाक हे थोडी विचारूंकूच ना तूं आन्सर कित्याक दिता थोडी दिवंक ना
I have already called out the next question.
Next question.
Start question number 1.
Why one? 3A, he called out the question.
No, he has not called out the question.
He called out. कितें उलयता रे? शे. हे स्पीकर सर मातशे मुखेलमंत्री मातशे शांत राव रे मातशे राव सगळे तूच उलयता. तो स्पीकर कितें आहा आमकां ना जाल्यार मातशे राव मरे की
Start question number 1.
मातशे सुसेगाद.
He has not.
स्पीकर सर
He has not stood up.
stood up, he stood up and called
I'm
out.
looking at him for the last 10 minutes.
Sir, you already
Called out.
Question star number 1.
Thank you, Speaker sir. He said answer
number
as
one.
cyclostar mo answer केल मते ने. If he called it out, Speaker sir, he called out the question and he said answer as per cyclostar.
Another point of order. Speaker sir, you have called question number 1.
Question number 1.
Speaker sir, without him calling out that question, why did the minister reply?
अरे किधर
Why is the minister?
Start question number 1.
What star question?
Why is he answering things which are not being asked? It's simple, Speaker sir.
अरे Speaker sir.
There is a decorum of the house.
ये ऐसे
No, yes, reply quickly.
Never in the history has something like this type of precedent happened. He has called the question.
अरे तशें नाही.
He has called the question.
बाकी सगळे उलयता स्पीकर सर.
Speaker sir, advocataचेर
Vijay Sardesai, please sit down.
कोट्यांनी रुपया बोलले. Result zero.
Please sit down. Please sit down. Start question number 1.
स्पीकर सर तुम्ही माग उब राव म्हणला हांवें 3A म्हणला आता हे डिस्कशन कितें म्हाका समजना
Start question number 1.
फिजाचे क्वेश्चन घायला तुम्ही माग उब राव हांवें 3A म्हणला तेन एक्नॉलेज केला आता डिस्प्यूट कित्याचे फक्त कळना
Speaker sir, Cabral, सेगाद रे. Swearing in.
सांग मरे.
Speaker sir, give your ruling. Give your ruling.
I have called out.
Give your ruling without asking the question. Why did the minister reply? I just want to know this.
I have
If he
already
has
called
never
out.
asked,
Start
he has
question
never asked,
number
why
1.
did he reply?
Start question number 1.
Minister सपने था.
Start question
सपने
number
था.
1.
ना स्वप्न आयले तुझेच आयले
तो
स्वप्न.
मिनिस्टर सपने था. तर किती मिनिस्टर बरं ना. ना
Speaker sir.
टाउन प्लॅनिंग मिनिस्टर सपने था. किती झालं का? अरे तो विचार नसणारे रिप्लाय किती दिली? ताणे जर विचारूकूच नाही रिप्लाय किती दिली? मग कोण Speaker sir, give me a ruling on this. I will cite the rules. I will cite the rule under which you have to give me a ruling. You give me a ruling how minister could reply without the question being asked.
He's
Simple thing.
Shaktiman.
One for his mind only.
This is a serious issue. कोट्यांनी रुपया शेकड्यांनी कोटी मोडतात.
Speaker sir.
सब ज्युडिस करपाक आणि रिझल्ट मेळना. विश्वजीत राणेचे सगळे डिपार्टमेंटच कोर्टान आहा. फुल कोर्टान आहा.
एक क्वेश्चन घेतले म्हाका विचारले हे जो लीगल फीज आहे त्याचे फ्लोर ऑफ द हाऊसाचे प्लेस कोट मुळले ते गेलते पार्टी फ्लोर ऑफ द हाऊसाचे घालता गेलते पार्टी घालता आणि हे पार्टी आता आमच्या क्वेश्चन एसकोन मिसगाईड कोताय
जी हम किती हा गोयातून.
we want the entire revenues that was being collected to be tabled on the floor of the house. This was the demand last time.
Please sit
कोताय
down.
म्हणले
Ranji Vegas.
डिपार्ट करपाचे आता
Please sit down.
पोस्टपोन आता
Please sit
पोस्टपोन
down.
काय
No, you can't postpone question.
I call out. I call out. Start question number 1.
But how can you postpone a postponed question? What happened to the postponed question?
No postpone.
Moving Gudino just now postpone the question to the next session.
Postpone as a
In the next session, can you do this?
Postpone.
What is being done today?
One, sir. One.
आता तुम्ही postpone केला next session केलं. Same ताजे तेच ना.
Last session.
Last session.
काढले त्याने. One.
No, how it can be postponed again? It can't be postponed after it goes to the next session.
Speaker sir, माझ्या ruling.
There is a ruling. Your legislature secretary advised, don't make a mockery of the house.
Never has happened like
You
this.
cannot postpone a postponed question.
This is more.
What did you reply?
More.
What did the minister reply?
Did you actually hear
The
me
question was not called.
You didn't reply.
The minister ऊपर आओ.
Next. What's the next question?
Abhi Subhash Patel cannot advise like this. He wants to become town clearing minister. That's what he's telling you.
We want you to table.
Everybody
want
wants
you
to
to
come
table
down
the
and
entire fees that has been collected on the floor of the house. This was the demand last time. You had told us that you are going to table it out. You did not table it out. We want you to table out.
Speaker sir.
I call for the question. You stood up now.
Awin Zada, Speaker sir. J 3A.
No, I don't know what is 3A, but.
Honorable member, Honorable member. Honorable member, I had asked the honorable member to call out the question number 3A.
He called it out, Honorable
He did
Speaker,
not,
with due respect.
he did not stand.
Can I show you?
He did not
Can I
stand.
show you? By him calling the question.
Check this.
Check this.
Check.
Check this. Benji is calling out the question.
Okay, 3A.
About Vishay. Correct.
My 3A movie, I call
अरे कोण याला ठेवून
start
start करायचे.
How Nala Insada.
किती तुम्ही दडदडीत फटी मारता स्पीकर सर फटी मारपाचो एक लेवल असता
This
इतकी
is
दडदडीत मारत ना
mockery of good governance.
Okay, honorable member, call out question number 3A.
Speaker sir, जे details as per annexure 1 on दिलो आहे, those details are not complete. We want to have the full details of the entire fees paid till date. यो जो details दिलो आहे तो सारखं काय information ना, I want my first supplementary to be answered very clearly. We want the entire details to be tabled on the floor of the house. Speaker sir, वो अतपान answer गेलते पार्टी दिलेला, अतपान answer ए पार्टी दिला. Speaker sir, we want entire clear details and explanation of why these fees are not collected appropriately and why there is discrimination in collection of these fees. Speaker sir.
Honorable Minister.
He's asking about the two table. Atu answer na. Answer na.
पीछे
3A then delay.
सांगून दे ना स्पीकर.
अपने तयारी सांगितले अलाउड केले प्रश्न केले
स्पीकर सर.
अरे बाबा
मंत्री स्वप्नेता
स्पीकर सर.
स्पीकर सर मुख्यमंत्र्याक I request him to take care of his right side.
Question number
तुझं
3.
राईट हँड मॅन तो स्वप्नेता अशी जाऊ शकना आणि त्याने सांगलं म्हणून तुका कॉल आउट केलं मला
टेबल.
what is this?
1B काय त्याचं.
इथे हा?
3A.
अरे आऊन स्पेसिफिक इन्सान
ना ना स्पेसिफिक इन्सान तुका तुगे नेक्स्ट इयराचे तुझो आन्सर दिला फर्स्ट हेजो तो आन्सर क्लियर ना. वी नीड टू नो द डिटेल्स हाऊ मच फीज यू
पहिला
आर कलेक्टेड
प्रश्न-
एंड व्हाई यू आर कलेक्टिंग फीज इन अ हैजर्ड
अरे
मॅनर.
आता speaker ने खंयचे दिला?
डाउन को
स्पीकरान खंयचे आपयला क्वेश्चन.
3A सर.
Speaker sir, as far as 3A is concerned, all details have been given to the honorable.
Those
member.
details are falsifying details. We need to make sure that you give us the entire.
Speaker sir, I can't hear if 10 people speak at a
Please
particular
speak
time.
one at a time.
No, no, answer into annexure A. Please table it on the floor of the house. We will tell you all that details that are not been given.
No.
And this is all falsifying. This is.
Honorable member Mr. Benzi Vegas is talking so loudly and I am going deaf. We have got a good sound system put by honorable speaker.
That is not the answer to the question.
Please do not
Let
interrupt.
him give a very specific question and to that question today before the by 12:30 I'll put it on the floor of the house. I don't know what
No,
is
this was
specifying.
committed last time. It was never
All
done.
the details have been given in
we
this
want these-
answer and has been uploaded, Speaker sir. I cannot give any more information that he's asking for. If he has anything specific, let him table the question on the floor of what specific information. अरे दिला ते गालमोड सांग रे.
काय
That ऑनरेबल मेंबराक हांवें सांगूंक सोदता तो कितें मागता तेका सांग म्हणून सांग वाच म्हणून सांग हांव ऑफिसराक सांगता दी म्हणून घालता न्ही
Specific question हांव
Prior fees paid till date do not match what you have given. We want you to specifically
आयज
give the
पर्यंत
entire thing.
तेका जर जाय
That is I know. गोयंचे लोकां जाय गोयंचे लोकां जाय आनी गोयंचे लोकांन गेलते पार्टी मागले आनी गेलते पार्टी होच आन्सर आहलो गेलते पार्टी हो आन्सर दिवन
Let the minister reply.
we
Let the
want
minister
before
reply.
this session gets over in the afternoon to be tabled, not after 1 o'clock. Specific time. गेलते पार्टी दिवू ना अशें कोण सांगलोले.
Because,
need these details now.
Because they विचारतात they are asking cases which are in the courts which we have given the same. If there is anything additional he wants, we'll give it. We cannot answer beyond the brief is.
So you
all,
what
all the
Time, please.
Vijay,
AG is your main officer.
Vijay Sardesai.
ऑफिसराचे बेश्टे घालू नका उत्तर दिता.
Speaker sir, AG is the legal officer. He is a member of the
Vijay
house.
Sardesai.
sir.
Wenzy Vegas is asking, you're element of this.
No, we are asking, but he is not replying to the question.
Because,
Every now and then, there is a breach of whatever information he is giving to us. Last time also was the same thing. A party same zalya. Answer same
sir.
answer.
Because,
Why
sir.
is this consistently happening in every
Not
assembly
talking-
session?
not talking of which
जो host
question.
मागताय याच क्वेश्चनाचे परत answer मेळना speaker sir. And we are asking the question परत दुसपायन परत मुट्टा we will table on the
because
floor.
प्रश्न त्यांनी खंयचो A, B, C, D खंयचे मागता तू?
If we are talking about your annexure A,
No,
the
annexure
answers
A.
what you have given
Yes.
are not correlating with what the facts are there.
You have asked the questions, right?
Yes.
You have asked the questions. So should I read it? You have asked, there are cases which are in the courts of law.
Don't have to read the question,
1
you
minute.
check your annexure.
Yes, all have been paid and all the details are paid, we have given, and you read the question very clearly. If there's anything missing, you tell me, I'll place it. There's nothing to hide.
Nothing missing in the question. Answers are missing.
Yeah.
So answer check
See,
to कित बरेल तो.
Benzi, all the time honorable member likes to create, everybody tries to create a big bogey of certain things. Here everything is mentioned and everything has been mentioned. Let him be very specific to what he wants. I'll give it to him. I have no problem.
We want the details of the fees paid which you have not put. All your
Because, sir,
information is falsifying.
Because, sir, आम्ही
Your information is falsifying. Your
general
information
आम्ही
is not
जर
mentioned.
सगळे दिले आम्ही आता समजा 9 कोटी सुमार बिलां झाली आम्ही जे आतापर्यंत पे केल्या ते एक 5-6 कोटी रुपया आम्ही पे केल्या तेका एक्झॅक्टली स्पेसिफिकली कितले आम्ही आमकां आमचे बिलां वयर काडल्या ते लीगल कंपनीन आणि आम्ही कितले पे केले तुका हांव आयज दिता एका पयली दिता
ना तो एका पयली केन्ना दिना.
Postpone कित्याक केलो?
फोन केल्या
Why haven't you got these details? पार्टी कशें केलो तुवें?
1 minute. These people have got a.
What do you mean these people?
1 minute.
Sir, these
1
people
minute.
what-
ऐक रे
in
साहेबा.
which language are these
तुका ते
people?
व्हडल्या आवाजान ते रॅली नव्हती ती असेंब्ली ती म्हाका ऐकपाक येता तुमी कितें आहा ते.
व्हडलो आवाज आणि
ना, व्हडलो आवाज म्हणजे ऐकपाक येता हांव बॉम्ब मारू
मार तू.
तुका ऐकपाक येवचें ना मागीर
अरे आपण गोयचे लोक
अरे गोंयचो लोक सोड गोंयचो लोकांनी
हे जे कोट्यांनी पैसे जे मार्के कोट्यांनी पैसे
व्हडले करू नाका
DCP department is doing maximum fraud.
No, point of order. Please
Second
ask
time we are
the
asking this
Speaker, sir,
question and
the
आप answer में ना speaker sir.
No, Speaker,
Every
sir.
time this is happening.
I
The same
want to raise
minister
a
in the
point
same
of order.
department.
तो जाय
आणि
ते
chief
fraud
minister acceptable आहे.
करता and हे इलेक्शनाची तयारी करता
तो इलेक्शन तयार करता है.
इलेक्शन
हे-
आज
हे-
तुमचे ना
हे- हे-
एलायन्स तुमचे जावचे ना
I think-
आणि एलायन्स करता आणि दुसऱ्या बसता
Topic over here, speaker.
आप पाहिजे झाले दिल्लीत वर
Because sir, election
I don't think I want to answer this question if he's going to be debating for the issue.
election, very specific.
अरे आहे ते, विजय, तेच कित्याक जाता? तेच कित्याक जाता तुका बरें तें. अरे हांवें सांगलें तुका पयरूच तुम्ही जेन्ना हात वयर उखल्ले तुजे घात करतले म्हणून तूं आमचे हात धर हांव तुका धरता आनी हाडटा ह्या सायडीक
Speaker sir,
आनी तूं आमच्या सायडीक
Speaker sir,
Second, sir.
very specific.
Please,
The
please
current
hold on,
status
hold on,
of
hold
the
on.
cases.
Hold on, one moment. How many of you all want to ask a question?
Speaker sir,
Why is he standing?
I can't talk to 3 people at a time.
Please sit down. One of you all ask the question. Wenzy Vegas.
Correct.
Yuri Alaman,
First,
please.
first supplementary mark answer मेळना. Second, all the cases that
Because
are
point
disposed,
of order कितें मेळोंक ना तें सांगूंक लाय
all the cases that are disposed and dismissed, हेजे जो status हा, हो मेळना. all the cases that are
Kiresh Zai.
disposed and dismissed. We want why you haven't given us this information.
What information? Again, explain to me.
Hoy. Kiresh?
Explain to me. What information you want?
The cases which are disposed and dismissed as current.
All the
status.
cases are running in the court.
So I want
So
the
that's
status.
why you
I
want,
want the
you
actual
want,
status
you want
of how much
no, one
fees you
sec.
have collected.
Let's talk in English.
Huh? Let's
Because
talk
I
in
can't
English.
understand the speed of which you speak.
How English बोलत मरे?
म्हाका कळना तू मदी कोंकणी उलयता
Yes,
म्हणजे
sir.
इंग्लिश
How-
कळटा म्हणजे
how
आमकां
English उलयता?
आमी
Let's
सादे
talk
लोक
in English.
आमकां कळपाक जायना ते
किती बोलला?
आमकां सारखें सांग की बाबा तुका जे
आजी बाय साश्टीची ती काय three people standing. कोकणी सारखी नाव होती.
Honorable members,
आता we are wasting
one
20
person to ask a
minutes. We are
question.
wasting.
please ask your question.
I
My
can't
question
understand
is,
कोंकणी
why
उलयल्यार
haven't we
मराठी
given
उलयल्यार
the
इंग्लिश
information
कांता
of the
साश्टी ग्राउंड मराठी उलोवपाक
disposed and
लागला
dismissed cases? Because sir,
Can you repeat it, please?
we need specific information and status of the disposed and dismissed cases. We haven't got this information.
We will give him that information.
Why you have not given? I have asked and
अरे I said I'll give
Give him
information. There's nothing to hide.
The question.
आमचे सगळे केसीस चालू आहा कोर्टान डिस्पोज आनी जावपाचे कित्याक तुम्ही
आमचं
घाली ना आनी त्याच लोकांक
आमचं
केस येतात आनी तेच तुमचेर ऑब्जेक्शन काडटा
बरे
Objection
speaker sir,
करता.
एक मिनिट very specific speaker sir, I'll be very specific. Now, from your answers, it looks like your department looks more like a legal background and more than rather than a planning authority that TCP has to be. Instead of focusing on their regulation, development, zoning, sustainable growth, your energies consume more in defending cases across High Court, across Supreme Court. My question is across High Court, across Supreme Court, across NGT, and this situation is not accidental. Lokache galopna. People are forced to do this. And that's because
I want to just correct you. Point of order.
Disturbing me.
Point of order. Is it a specific institution that shut down mining, or is it a specific people लोकांचे म्हणून तुम्हीच हा लोकांचे हित समर्पक आम्ही ना हांगा लोकांचे हित समर्पक आणि फाटलो इतिहास काढून देऊ
Speaker sir,
आणि तू आज काँग्रेसाचो लिडर एक मिनिट हो काँग्रेसाचो लिडराचो ऑपोजिशन हा ह्या लोकांनी चड आणि चड कन्वर्जन आपल्या टायमान केल्ले आसा 9.5 कोटी रुपये आणि हे टाउन प्लॅनिंगाचेर विचारपाक हांगा दिव तुका स्टेटमेंट की काँग्रेस पार्टी डिस्ट्रॉयड द स्टेट ऑफ गोवा बाय कन्वर्टिंग द लार्जेस्ट लँड अरे बापरे मुख्यमंत्री असलो त्यांचे पोस्ट कार्ड बापयचे मुख्यमंत्री तो सगळ्यांपेक्षा चड एफिशियंट मुख्यमंत्री तो आशिल्लो आणि ते आम्ही कोणी हावजान जर बसल्या त्या लेवलाचेर पावचे ना
कोण आल्लो एफिशियंट
Because sir,
एफिशियंट आल्लो
आता काँग्रेस डिपेंड करता काँग्रेसी काही करता
काँग्रेसी अरे तुम्ही काँग्रेसी आशिल्लो तुम्ही बीजेपीचे सरकार आशिल्लो आणि आमचे
ओरिजिनल काय होतं सगळं डुप्लिकेट
अरे ते खुर्ची सोडून हांगा
Honorable Minister.
गरज असते आमचे सगळ्यांचे
Because sir, पयली सद्या एक मिनिट जो तो उलयता काँग्रेसीचेर पयले सुवातेर 10,000 थिंग आहाय जो काँग्रेसी केलो तेकाय एक्झाम्पल जो युआर पॉइंटिंग
एक्झाम्पल दिला माझ्या पार्टीचे एक्झाम्पल दिला
फिंगर दिगंबर कामत
अरे दिगंबर कामाचे नाव घेऊ नका दिगंबर कामाचे नाव घेऊ नका
कोण गेले?
एका बी तुवें लिडर मानूंक जाय तो आमचो तेन्ना लिडर आशिल्लो विसरलो अशें मागीर कशें तूं आयला कसो वयल्यान येवंक ना तुझ्या फाटल्या इतिहास काढून पळय कितें आहा ते इलेक्शनान आयलो कसो हे इलेक्शनान येवपाचे पयलीं तो इतिहास काडपाक पळय ते इतिहास 2 लायन हांगा दाखोवपाक
अरे इतिहासान उरला जे आज गोंय चल्ला ते
आम्ही
स्पेसिफिक कितें
म्हाका काय कळना तू कितें विचारूंक सोदता ते आणि ऑपोजिशन विचारता की बाबा काँग्रेस पार्टी आणि हेच वचून ते स्टेजीर बसता आणि गोंयांत राखूंक जाय म्हणून अरे गोंयची वाट लायली शॉर्ट पॅन्टाचे वाट लायले हे काँग्रेस पार्टीन लायले वाट आणि तू त्या काँग्रेस पार्टीचो लिडर 3 आमदार उरल्या बाकी आयले ह्या सायडीक तुझे काँग्रेस पार्टीचे फुडले फावट इलेक्शनात तू एकटो कलेक्टर बाकी सगळे वयता घरा
सर हेज मुखार एक मिनिट हेज मुखार स्पीकर सर
एल्टन येतलो त्या एल्टनाक आम्ही सांभाळटा तू एकटो सांभाळून घे की तू जे डिफेंड करता नाव सांगता रे तू जे डिफेंड करता ते पार्टी 9 कोटी स्क्वेअर मीटर जाल्ले आणि तुम्ही टार्गेट करता डिपार्टमेंटाक जेन्ना तुम्ही गोयचे वाट लायला काँग्रेस पार्टी आणि काँग्रेस पार्टी तुला जस्टिसान सांगले तुम्ही कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन हेडाक डिक्लेअर करता म्हणून आणि तुमची पूछ वाढली ह्या कसा ते फर्स्ट वर कसा
अरे आवाज इतला व्हडले करपाक आमकां बी कळटा.
Because,
33 लोक बसले हांगा.
पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर
विजय
काय विजय बी काय ना विजय आमचोच. आमचोच तो माझो बरो मित्र तो. आमचोच.
Speaker, sir.
अरे विजय सरदेसाय आमचोच माझो फ्रेंड तो.
1 minute.
तू बी माझो फ्रेंड.
Honorable Minister.
ऐक रे.
what is this happening?
Hey, LOP.
Just sit down.
Are you sit down? You tell me.
Speaker, sir.
You
Please
tell
sit
me. You are diverting the issues. You are talking about saving Goa. You have the right to save Goa. You don't have the right to save Goa because you have entered into politics on a state of corruption.
Save government.
Are my foot you save Goa? You cannot because Congress is destroyed. That's why your numbers were
Congress
destroyed.
is not destroyed.
And leader of the came on a state of corruption into the party. अरे तू विधानसभा आयला कसो?
विश्वजीत कसो आयलो हलोन आयलो लोकांनी धाडा
आज लोकांनी धाडलो बी घरा.
Yuri Alemao, ask your question.
या फर्स्ट एक मिनिट बोल रे
अरे माझ्या फ्रेंडाक बस म्हणून सांगू नका. हांव बसना तू म्हाका सांगू शकना.
Sit down.
अरे उठ
कितें उठू
नाका उकलून हाडटा हांगा.
Because are very specific. Today the question I was being very specific कि the fee structure today is outrageous. 16.5 lakhs for a single hearing, 7.5 lakhs for another hearing, crores of rupees for a state today that is struggling with finances. आज Western असो निर्माण जाता जो AG आहा तो puppet. AG is not competent. Is he deliberately sidelined? 1 minute.
Please let him ask the question.
Point of order,
Ask the
Speaker,
question.
sir. He
Can
is
you
asking
please sit
3
down?
questions. Are you allowing 3 supplementaries? Ask him to ask 1 question and answer it.
So this is only, I am coming to the point. No? Speaker sir, आज jenna returned High Court petitions on TCP under evaluation show how these particular people are forced to go to court, and the finance department was forced to get a circular and intervene. आज Speaker sir, why does the TCP department spend in crores of rupees on private lawyers, on advocate generals, when the office exists to defend the state? Does this not amount to sidelining the AG, or is the AG not capable? The honorable see, you spoke a lot about Congress. काँग्रेसाचो मरे टॉलेस्ट लीडर प्रताप सिंग राणे अजून काँग्रेसीन आहा. काँग्रेसीन अजून प्रताप सिंग राणे आसा.
माझो बापायचे उलो नका.
अरे
मंत्री
काँग्रेसीचो लीडर तू पण म्हाका सांगता काँग्रेसीचे उलयत त्यांनी काँग्रेसीच्या वेळार मुखेलमंत्रीन बुक रिलीज केला तेजे जे काँग्रेसाचे कॉन्ट्रिब्युशन आणि
रिलीज करपाक
काँग्रेसान अजून आहा. तू बडे
Honorable Leader of Opposition.
कशे
Are we here to discuss about the political parties? Are we here to discuss about
he has pointed
one second. Role of the other chief ministers and all? Then I am entitled to speak and defend.
Please speak.
I defend and I speak, then it will be very damaging for all of those who speak like this. I think if they are not interested in taking up this question, move to the next question.
Please ask
What
him.
is it?
Finish
Other
it.
one-
Speaker sir, see.
Speaker sir,
Please sit down. Venzi Vegas.
No, but what are we
He's
talking
asking
about?
the question, let him finish the question.
Time कितली जालतो.
I have asked.
And we are talking all over.
He has spoken about what the Congress has.
Please ask your question.
Because sir, first of all, फाल्यां this opinion poll or this जोरी काँग्रेसान दिवं ना जाल्यार आमी हिंगा आसपा न्हू. हुंय आहले दाणगीन सरपंच पंच बी मुखेलमंत्री आसपा न्हू. हे काँग्रेसान कितें केलें तें सांगची न्हू. खास करून जे पड गेले ते पुजा म्हळें थोड्यांनी भितर पेंटा भितर गेले ते बाजू काँग्रेस आसता दिसता गेले अजून म्हणटा इतले जा केला
Ask your question.
आणि हे उलयता आज.
Ask your question.
Why is the TCP department spending crores on private lawyers when the Advocate General already exists?
Is this a question? I would like to share with the honourable member that there are several cases going on of complex nature in the court, High Court, Supreme Court. As a result, I would also like to draw his attention in the last 5 years, when he talks about the finances of the state. This department has raised in the last 5 years more than 710 crores of rupees for the state exchequer. Amount of money spent on the court cases is less than 1.5% of the revenue that is earned by this department for the state. Many times there are complex issues. We have lawyers like Tushar Mehta, the Solicitor General of India, who advises us and who advises us on the panel of lawyers that we have to take to defend the matters of the state of complex nature. So I would like to also draw his attention. Then when their party was in power also, several laws used to be taken. Here I talk with justification of the amount of money that is raised for the state. State government, town and country planning department is one of the only department that has raised the highest number of money and revenue for the state of nearly 700 odd crores, of which 1.25% has been spent on court cases. This is the answer that I would like to give him. When he talks of the state finances and state finance, we have also raised finances. And it is not only about the people, it is about a particular institution that shut down mining in the state, and these people are taking it and flaunting it and flogging that horse continuously for their political gains.
Because sir, Mantri answer dusro dila.
Are
Answer I asked very specifically. Is the AG incompetent? AG ko zain halle. AG ko appoint now. AG is defending several cases.
आमचो सॉलिसिटर जनरल ऑफ इंडिया, गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडियाचो सॉलिसिटर जनरल ऑफ इंडिया आणि जेन्ना प्रोसिजर ताका खबर आसूंक जाय की आमी एजीचे थ्रूच आमी सिलेक्ट करता, आमी ओन आमी वचूंक शकना, तेजे परमिशन घेवन लॉ डिपार्टमेंट कडेन येता, तेजे उपरांत मुख्यमंत्री कडेन वयता, तेजे उपरांत आमी आमचे पॅनल ऑफ लॉयर्स सिलेक्ट करता. आणि त्याच बरोबर जेन्ना तो म्हणटा की स्टेटाचे फायनान्सीस ह्याच डिपार्टमेंटान सगळ्या डिपार्टमेंट पेक्षा चड 750 कोटी सुमार रुपया आमी आयज रेज केल्ले आसा गेल्या 5 वर्सांत, आणि तेजे भायर 1.25% खर्च जाल्लो आसा. तुम्ही जर समज 100 कोटी रुपया जर जाल्ले आणि आम्ही एक 9-10 कोटी रुपया त्यांनी जे विचारलेले 9.292 crores, तर हांव समजू शकता. पण हांगा 750 कोटी आम्ही रेव्हेन्यू आयज स्टेटाक आम्ही आयज जनरेट केल्ले आसा.
बिकॉज रेव्हेन्यू जो जनरेट केला मान्य मंत्री
आम्ही तुषार मेहताचे सॉलिसिटर जनरल आहात, त्यांची ऍडवाइस घेता जेन्ना सुप्रीम कोर्टाक मॅटर पावता. हेच लोक जे कोर्ट हांगा घालता, जो पर्यंत ते फायनल इन फायनॅलिटी जायना सुप्रीम कोर्टान, तेन्ना आमी तेजे निर्णय हा म्हणून आमी म्हणूंक शकना. आमी टेम्पल ऑफ जस्टीस म्हणटा आमी सुप्रीम कोर्टात, तेन्ना तो विषय तेन्ना पावता तेन्ना आमकां हे विषय घुसपोवन फायनान्सीयल स्टेट हेका कळना ते कितें विचारपाक जाय, तेका उत्पन्न कितलें जालां तें तरी वाचत.
बिकॉज सर व्हेरी स्पेसिफिक हे लोकांक टीसीपी डिपार्टमेंट फोर्स करता. एग्जाम्पल टीसीपी डिपार्टमेंट एक अंडर इव्हॅल्युएशन जाले, पीपल वेंट देवर कोर्ट डायरेक्शन, दॅट इज व्हेन यू ऑल रिवाइज्ड इट. And that you say that 700 crores.
I am very grateful to the Honorable
Before so much income was not coming.
I am very grateful to the Honorable Chief Minister. केन्ना तेका दिसता की बाबा जाय ते ह्यो गोष्टी घडटा आणि आयज डेव्हलपमेंट ह्या तरेन जाता. त्यांनी ते स्टेटाचे इंटरेस्टान त्यांनी ते रेट्स वाडयले. ते रेट्स वाडयले म्हणून आमकां आयज ह्या तरेचे उत्पन्न आमकां गावला, जे आयज पर्यंत खंयच्याच टीसीपी डिपार्टमेंटाक ते उत्पन्न गावंक ना. And ये सगळे
but they were under-evaluated.
राव रे,
You were forced to do it.
I have to address you. I should address him.
Because sir,
Let him-
he was.
I will address
Let
you.
him finish talking.
After long you're sitting on the speaker's chair, deputy speaker, so at least let me address you. You're allowing him to just go on talking. I am saying that they are flogging a horse that is already about to die, that floss has no meaning, that shut down mining in the state of Goa. That's why the state is going under tremendous stress of financial pressure. And these people want no development in the state of Goa. If they don't want development in the state of Goa, they should come with a charter or demand that gives a solution on how the state should progress.
We have already. Demand.
Just because he's a leader of opposition, he doesn't have solutions to the problem. He's asking me a question, I'm answering him. And I never said anything about him. I'm talking to you, Honorable Speaker, is that when a department is raising so much money, and there is an issue of complex nature, then you take the best of legal minds that are there in the country to deal with that issue, so that interpretation of the law and making us understand how to move forward is important. To have the best lawyers in the country and not listen to him by what he is saying. When he forms a government, that is way God knows where he may
Because,
be.
sir, let us talk about today.
That's when the Congress will be, because his
Because
leaders
sir,
are ready to sit in
let me be very
opposition.
honest. Well, सध्या mining बंद केले, कोणी बंद केले?
अरे तुम्हीच बंद केलं
Manoj
mining.
Parrikar is on record saying he shut down mining.
अरे तो कितें म्हणो, तुम्ही बंद केलं mining.
मंत्री आल्लो, मंत्री सगळे कॅबिनेट डिसिजन आल्लो, मायनिंग बंद कोण केले? कित्याक उलयता? एक हरजोत एक कोडे, हरजो एक दुसरे कोडे. कितें चल्ला स्पीकर सर? आन्सर ना काय ना.
बिकॉज सर आता अर्धो वॉच क्वेश्चन.
फुडें वाचूया. Start question number 1. Start
अरे
question
तू
number 1.
आमकां यो यावटेन.
तो वचना बिनाका.
अरे तो वचना काय तू येता ते तिगूय
Start
हाडटा.
question number 1.
काय बिनाका तू आमगे
अरे आमगे सोड, कोण खंय वचना.
Question number 1.
1B. आणि तो ऑफर आता तोच ना, हो पयलीं येतलो आमगे जाल म्हणटी साखर.
हे आता स्पीकर सर, I am addressing you. This is that 1B. And if you expect me to know this by heart, I cannot know this by heart.
You've been health
I
minister
have
for
one sec.
15
I
years.
may be health minister for donkeys years, that doesn't matter, but this is the type of questions. 15 questions in one. legislation should not allow this or ask us to place it or make it unstand and we'll give them all the information. How do I understand this? Let them ask. To my wisdom, whatever time I've been there, I will ask, but
Baba,
what is this?
We have to do more
Is this
questions
not voluminous?
after
How much do I
one,
say?
please.
Every figure I'm supposed to know? And look at this type of question. How does legislature allow this?
Speaker sir, let me ask. Speaker sir, first of all, this is very important. Itle yahan because this is relating to the health ministry. It is relating to GMC and the district hospitals. Let me speak. Mache Tondai Naik. Basically, Speaker sir, I'll be very specific. COVID-acha vedar, there were a lot of things got exposed. Unpreparedness, people died due to oxygen, other medical facilities. Anik, jenna lack of facilities actually, a lot of people died. Hundreds of deaths today due to road accidents, inadequate infrastructure. Anik, Sarkar, Kumkaran koso agoha, especially in this thing. Speaker sir, I've been raising these health issues for the last 4 years. So that these issues are discussed, people get the benefit. Ada, South Goa District Hospital, jenna o issue hai tya vedar tinga 193 post aaj vacant asa. Anik jaun senior surgeons, anesthetists, 39 staff nurses, X-ray technicians, 73 MTS. And as per, you have got the public health standard volume. As per these volumes, whatever, आमी तू प्रश्न इंसान है आमी बारीकशा लक्ष्य गाने थे हमको डे हायर से स्पीकर सर आज under annexure 10 you have given list of essential equipment especially for South Goa district Anik district hospital. Anik, in this reply, your reply is not satisfactory. Speaker sir, आज radiology department and as per the rules of this act, साधारण तिंगा cardiologist na, nephrologist na, urologist na, आज district hospital and OPD and acute shortage of medicines. Local purchase bills are not paid for last 8 to 9 months. Vendors are not giving medicines to the hospital. Salaries of staff, I've got all the lists, I'll give you the names. 3 months they have not been paid. Trauma care unit start zatle mun sanglole, not started. Critical block unit, jepot sanglole kotlemu, not started. Only 2 ambulances in South Goa District Hospital today. MRI machine, it is a basic necessity. 4 orsa almost hame ulaita on this MRI machine. 4 orsa. People today are suffering. Neurosurgery, it's not there. Speaker sir, Ada Mugelo first supplementary. Speaker sir, my first supplementary is why step motherly treatment to South Goa? Will the government fix responsibility? It is enough. Enough is enough. Last 1.5 years, I had also asked about the proposal sent. It is shocking. In Annexure B, the proposals that are being sent to the Finance Department, they are pending. Will you fix this responsibility? When will South Goa District Hospital? I congratulated you first time as an MLA when you announced for the CAT lab. The CAT lab kaich na. Mode mudug lale CAT lab oir Teresa che aten. Speaker sir, today people are dying. South Goa District Hospital was a Congress project. Today that was done by the Congress. He was the health minister. Maybe people have changed and gone to the other side. But that was done for people to get justice. When Mageva Puilo, first supplementary. When will you fix the problem of South Goa District Hospital? Committee ata, Dotra ata. Nothing has happened. Absolutely nothing. Will you fix this? Please tell us. This is my first supplementary.
Speaker sir, it's very easy to be in the opposition because you have to raise issues. We are going into an election year and say it's not very easy to run an institution like this. And I'm not saying that we have not done anything. As far as the South Goa District Hospital, he has asked me first about the South Goa District Hospital. I have discussed with the Honorable Chief Minister also on multiple occasions. Is that we are looking for doctors as far as the OPD is concerned. Once a week, there's an OPD of cardiology that is being run in the South Goa District Hospital. In addition to that, we are running a very successful set up in the Goa Medical College, and we are trying to see that we get the best of specialists and doctors from time to time. Yesterday, you must have seen the tweet, we got another 3 doctors to work in the cancer department. What I'm trying to say is that what he said, we have, in the last 2 months, we have increased the bed strength by another 150. I think Honorable Leader Vijay Sardesai had brought it to my notice, Honorable Chief Minister had brought it to my notice, is that patients were being put on stretchers and all this. So we gave directions that not a single patient will be on stretchers. 150 beds were increased. More than any kind of teaching institute there, it is the facilities that we provide.
Today, yesterday night also there is a
Either you allow me to answer or you sit quiet. I'll sit quiet. I'll sit quiet. You only answer.
No, you are.
No, I can't answer.
Today as well, people are there on
If he is
stretchers.
going to continue to disturb my thoughts, I will not be able to answer his question, and then you can move to the next question, because all I want my department only. If this question is of value to him, then he has to also understand that he has to join. And main Speaker sir, the basic thing is it is not in my hands, it is not in my only hands whether we want to do a cardiac setup. We have had a detailed discussion with Dr. Guru Prasad Naik and the whole team there whether we can have a unit 2 posted in the South Goa District Hospital. They said no, we cannot have a unit 2, you need to create a new unit in South Goa District Hospital.
You proposed a cath lab, no?
Yes, question to me sir Vatslyar. Then he is asked right from the procurement onwards to what you have done in 5 years. It's not a 1-year question. Or it's not my last commitment that is made in the assembly. It is a huge question and which our department has given and uploaded. Actually, Secretary Legislature asked me whether I'm postponing. I said, no, we are uploading it and withdraw my letter. Let it all go. Most important, Speaker, sir, as far as this South Goa District Hospital, I on record am in this house. Chief Minister also in his presence, I have said that we will commission it fully. What we require there is neurology, neurosurgery, and we require orthopedics, which is most important. Intervention, because there are people who come from Kanpur, and he come from Kanpur, then they come to the South Goa District Hospital, and from there they come to Goa Medical College. We are aware of that. Actually, I have got all the statistics of the referrals that have been doing. These are all accident cases and all where the referrals have been doing, which should be actually handled there. We are in the process of seeing that we are able to comprehensive proposals of Mr. Nilesh Kabral's constituency, and then we are doing of South Goa District Hospital, then Subhash Valdesai's Sangye Hospital, which is newly being built, and also further assessment of the Goa Medical College on how we can take it further. South Goa District Hospital requires these 2 specialities immediately. And also MRI proposal order has been already sent. Finance is in the proposal of placing that order. And Honorable Chief Minister,
When you said this 2 years ago.
Speaker sir, it doesn't work like that. In Goa
Speaker
Medical
sir, okay, I'll just ask you. Speaker sir.
I just want to
MRI machine is a
mention to him.
basic tool required there. When there are stroke patients, it is necessary so that an MRI is.
Speaker
sir, okay, Mantri Mache boss, I'll tell you 1 minute. Now, Speaker sir, Annexure F, which is available in what you have said, ki urology opinion जाय जाला GMC, neurology opinion जाय जाला GMC, orthopedic department na, CKD, जे chronic kidney disease, हे जाता renal failure department takes the view, sends to GMC. STEMI patients are thrombolized and sent to GMC. Under North Goa district, tingai sarke CT scan na, tumkai potta, Honorable Speaker, there is no CT scan machine. In Ponda it's worse. 4 mantri ashille. Eklo amto bab Ravi bab naik na. Ekla mutung dioilo. Ata Sudin bab Sominyan kit koto te sango जाईना. पण तेजा होणे म्हाका दिसता तुम्ही आज लक्ष घालपाक जाय. हे CT scan machine tingai na. If you look at the referrals, I'll just give the Honorable Minister a look. North Goa has the highest referrals, MAPSA, 7,326 in 2024. Anik, if you look at the total referrals, what was 9,400 in 21, is shot to 15,000. 15,000. Speaker sir, Ponda is the highest, 834. That was in 2021 is gone to 3,200 in 2025. म्हणजे जे referral 2021 9,500 आशिल्ले आज 15,000 लोक GMC रिफर जाता. आज Speaker sir, आता even Mapsa Asilo Hospital, why this step motherly treatment? आज Speaker sir, if you look at major issues that are in GMC, all load eta आणि सगळे GMC दोतराचे मागीर दोतरा त्रास जाता. We have the highest respect for the doctors. Speaker sir, cancer patient जे पड आहा, this is a fact now what I am pointing out. In GMC, cancer therapies up to 15% are sent to other private hospitals. 15%, either within the state or outside. Why is the reason? Because there is no intensivist. One doctor intensivist is not there. Speaker sir, ICU bed available now. There is so many patients coming there. People have to be taken out of the ICU. Ada intensivist Goa Medical College in na. How currently there is only, you have an anesthetist.
Speaker, sir, point of order. The figure that he mentioned of 7,000 from South Goa District Hospital, I just want him
No,
to...
no, I said not South Goa District
He's
Hospital.
wrong.
Speaker sir, I'll be very specific. I've got all the figures.
He should be very specific so I can actually give a specific
The
answer.
total figures of South Goa was 4582. I'm talking about 14,890 are the total referrals. Total. Speaker sir, ana जो intensivist असता, he is the head. आता currently anesthetist under थिंगा procedure जाते. Cancer treatment लोका त्रास जाता थिंगा. Because this is basically जे liver cirrhosis जाता. लोका कितले liver part जाता. Speaker sir, आज they are forced to go to private hospitals. Expenses are incurred by over 35 lakhs. इतलो खर्च जाता. KLE, Mumbai, Hyderabad, enga lokang ospak potta. Speaker sir, all this can be prevented by just getting one intensivist. Today, Goa Medical College, Zorito thing casualty thoil zala. You know the load. Every 7 minutes, one ambulance comes. Every 7 minutes. Speaker sir, casualty is overcrowded. Patient time, which is normally 3 to 6 hours, raupa pota. My सगळे आमदारा फोन येताय आपला कॅज्युअलिटी भितर गेल ना ते दोतोर कित कोतले 300-600 वर थिंगा रावताय. स्पीकर सर, म्हाका दिसता हे कॅन्सर पेशंटाच्या लागून we need to make sure in GMC also, I'm talking specifically in GMC, then I'll put a pointed question. There are two types of diagnosis, advanced treatment and advanced diagnostic. आता हे PET scan machine हे हाडपाक जाय म्हणून गेल ते वर्सा हेन सांगिल्लें आपूण तेको सायन्सा मंत्री को उलयता मुखेलमंत्री कडेन. हे PET scan is a basic tool to detect cancer. You all don't even have that. 1.5 years I've been screaming at the top of my voice. I'm not screaming because of anything, because that is required. You can diagnose, especially because of that, J pade advanced technology asa. You all are using the cobalt technology for radiology, for basically treating radiotherapy. Aaj linear accelerator machines for targeted thing like LINAC. This is not there with you. So basically, cancer patients, you know best. There is no one better who knows about cancer. But today, Speaker sir, when we see these things, intensivist is not there, and all the pressure comes on one person. Jenna OT hota hai, patient a bahar kadai. These are common issues. 20% of the cases are postponed in GMC. Aaj zatole, fal zatole, and they are kept nil by mouth early in the morning till afternoon. Aaj zatle operation na. This is the status today in GMC, Speaker sir. Super specialty to robotic surgery ko tumu sangile. Ki zale robotic surgery che. Aaj I'll give you a very specific question. Ki despite the assurance on the floor of the house, you have failed to get the PET scan. Will you minimize this load that is coming on GMC? What is the, don't tell me that in 1990s what was GMC, that is what you answer normally. What will you do to improvise the situation now currently? Because all referrals are coming there.
How many questions? 3, 4, 5, 6. One I have to answer.
Will you improvise the situation? This is a fact, whatever I
just
said.
want to know, he has spoken for last 10 minutes. Now I didn't understand it. I understood the matter. What is the question? I want to know one line. What is the question? Because I am not as literate as him, but I need in one line what is the question. Then I will answer.
When
Till
there
then I am not
is so
answering.
much
because
load on GMC, what will you
I want one.
minimize?
Are you asking him to ask 10 questions? One question you ask, I'll answer.
हम काय जाय दुसरे question.
Arey, one question, Speaker sir.
Ask your
One question, let him answer.
Ask your question.
He is a pilot. You should know. One question you ask me, no, I'll answer.
अरे GMC लोग मौत तो उड़े
What is
जातो
the
नो
question?
वो वाटतले
What is the question?
लोग
Question कितें? हे इलेक्शनाची रॅली न्हू. हे विधानसभा question विचार, हांव उत्तर दिता. I don't know now. You are not asking him to ask a question, I am not answering anything.
Ask your question.
अरे स्पीकर साहेब आन्सर दिल ना तेणे
अरे मग क्वेश्चनच कळना कितें तें.
हे कितें स्पीकर
क्वेश्चन
साहेब
कितें हांव
अरे
तेच
स्पीकर साहेब
विचारता.
this is
ताका
making fun
कसलो
of this
उत्तर जाय?
house.
हांवें पॅट स्कॅन हाडूंक जाय काय हांवें ते ऑपरेशन न जाता ते टायम कमी करूंक जाय इंटरव्हेन्शन आसूं जाय कितें क्वेश्चन कितें.
No, what will you do? These are the current issues with cancer.
You ask me to ask me a specific question. This cannot go on like this.
स्पीकर साहेब मंत्रीक टाइम गेलो जाय हो आन्सर दिना तू आन्सर दिना फकत गोल गोल घुमयता हे करा फुडें बरें दुसरें विचार क्वेश्चन दुसरें विचार
Girish Bhartu.
स्पीकर साहेब
Girish Bhartu.
काय दिला आन्सर
स्पीकर सर आन्सर तरी इवरी काय मेळोंक ना आतां म्हाका मेळटलो काय ना तें आमी खबर ना पण हांव विचारता आतां स्पेसिफिकली हांगा अशें उत्तर आमकां अशें मेळलें की नो शॉर्टफॉल इन हेल्थ केअर सेक्टर. आतां हो जो उत्तर डिपार्टमेंट दिता आमी एवरी टायम पळयता की आमच्या म्हाज्या मतदारसंघान जीएमसी येता. आतां जीएमसीची कॅज्युलिटी फूल आसता. स्पीकर सर आमी पळयता की आयसीयू बेड ना कमी आसा. एवरी टायम आयसीयू ना म्हणून भायर रावचें पडटा. व्हेंटिलेटर ना सारके. तुम्ही पळयता की जेन्ना ल्हान भुरगे जाले जल्माक येयले नाल्यार तांकां जो व्हेंटिलेटर सिस्टम आसपाक जाय तो आसना तेका लागून तांकां प्रायवेटान रेफर करता. दुसरें जेन्ना ऑपरेशन्स पळयता 6 म्हयने ऑपरेशनाक डिले आसा. 6 म्हयने. उत्तर हे मिनिस्टराचें आसा की हेल्थ केअर सेक्टरान कांयच म्हटल्यार कांयच ना म्हणटा म्हणजे सगळें बरें चल्लां. आतां स्पीकर सर आमी पळयता खूब जाणांक बेडां मेळना सायडीक बसयता जमनीर न्हिदयता हेंय चालू आसा.
प्रश्न
इतले स्पीकर सर ना MRI स्कॅन करपाक जाय CT स्कॅन करपाक जाय तांकां डिले जाता तांकां टायमींग दिता फुडें फुडें दुखलिता डायलिसीस पेशंटांक डिले जाता. आतां हें सगळें जालें एक हो मिनिस्टर सांगता की तरी पूण म्हणटा की सगळें सिस्टम सारको आसा आमचो शॉर्टफॉल कांयच ना म्हणटा. आतां एक आमचो म्हाजो सारको पॉयंटेड क्वेश्चन की इतले सगळें जे करता ते कित्याक लागून करता लोकांची सेवा करपाक. जो पब्लीक सेक्टर जो आसा आमचो पब्लीक हेल्थ केअर आसा हितून लोकांक सर्वीस मेळपाक लागून करता. तेन्ना लोकांक हें ना म्हणून आतां सावथाचे जेन्ना हें पळयताले आमी हो वाडत आसा. 2021 3717 जालो सावथाच्यान जीएमसीन येता. 2022 3885 जालो. 2023 4442 जालो. 2024 4739 जालो. 2025 4582 जालो. म्हणल्यार एवरी इयर हेजो इन्क्लायन जाता वाडत आसा. आतां म्हाका स्पेसिफीक मिनिस्टराक विचारपाचें आसा की इतले जेन्ना शॉर्टफॉल आसा तुमचो उत्तर एक आसा की आमचे कांयच हेल्थ केअर सेक्टरान शॉर्टफॉल ना. तुमी मानून घेवपाक आमचो शॉर्टफॉल आसा आनी तो शॉर्टफॉलाक लागून आमी काम करतले पण ते कांयच दिसून येना. सो म्हाका विचारपाचें आसा की आयज हे प्रायव्हेट सेक्टरान धाडटा आयज कितलेशे प्रायव्हेट पयशे ना. आयज लोकांक त्रास जाता. लोक आयज तकली उडयल्ली आसा. कोणाक 15,000 सॅलरी आसता तरी पूण ताका प्रायव्हेटान 3-3 लाख भरचे पडटा 5 लाख भरचे पडटा 10 लाख भरचे पडटा. कोणा कडेन मिनिस्टरा कडेन बाकीच्या कडेन पयशे आसत पयशे पण ह्या बाबडे गरीब लोकांचे मातशे तरी चिता. सो म्हाका विचारपाचें आसा मिनिस्टराक की हो जो शॉर्टफॉल तुमच्या आतां ह्या एलिफ्यूनूय येता की इतले रेफरल हांगा येयल्ले आसा. सो इतलो शॉर्टफॉल आमकां दिसता आनी आख्खे गोंयची जनता पळयता की शॉर्टफॉल आसा. सो मिनिस्टरान सांगचें की हो शॉर्टफॉल केन्ना पर्यंत ते क्लियर करतले आनी हे सगळे फॅसिलिटीज SSBन जावं सावथ डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल आसा आजुले आसा GMC आसा हांगा फॅसिलिटीज केन्ना पर्यंत मेळटल्यो आनी एक तो जो युनिट आसा तो केन्ना स्टार्ट
ऑनरेबल मेंबरान जे सांगला जेन्ना ऑनरेबल मेंबर म्हाजे कडेन आयलो जेन्ना डॉक्टर बांदेकर डीन आशिल्लो तिजे मांडूर फॅसिलिटी बी इम्प्रूव करपाची आशिल्ली आनी ताका सांगलें MLA बरोबर घेवन ते फंक्शन आसूं काय कितें एम्ब्युलन्स आसूं प्रत्येक गोश्ट आयज ताका कॉन्फिडन्सान घेवन कर म्हणून हांवें हांव उलयतां
4 वर्सां जालीं रूम जो स्टार्ट करपाक
हांव उलयतां
अजून सांगना
म्हाका प्रॉब्लम 12:30 जातले जातलो विशय मेन म्हणजे कितें स्पीकर सर आय हॅव नेवर सेड एट एनी गिवन पॉयंट ऑफ टायम दॅट एवरीथिंग इज 100% परफेक्ट. देर आर सर्टन थिंग्स दॅट हॅव टू बी कोप्ड अप विथ. आता तुम्ही जे सांगले की काही लोक असा परिस्थिती आयज जेन्ना ICU बेड गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज आयज मुख्यमंत्रीन सँक्शन करून GSIDCंतल्यान आमी ते इनॉग्रेट आता म्हाका दिसता ह्याच दिसान केल्यार बरें. आता मकर संक्रांत बी चालू जाल्ली बरो दिसा करता आमी बेगीन
गोड मकर संक्रांती चालू आसा गोड गोड बोलून हे लेबर रूमाचे उल्लेख केलो की जो मंडूर हेल्थ सेंटर आमी एकूच डिमांड एक आमचो सिंपल आसलो लेबर रूम जो आसा तो ऑपरेशनल करता लोड मातसो शिफ्ट जातलो 4 वर्सां जाले अजून जायना. सो आमकां सांगता की मंडूर हेल्थ सेंटराचे
Allow him to finish speaking.
मातशें विचारचे लेबर रूम केन्ना जातलो हो तरी विचारचे तितले तरी इल्लेशें काम जाता
ना तुम्ही विचारले दोन प्रश्न विचारले दोन प्रश्नाचं उत्तर दिता हांव. तुम्ही विचारले की NICU प्रॉब्लेम जाता NICU प्रॉब्लेम जाता म्हणून आम्ही NICU नवो GSIDCंतल्यान आता कमिशन आता करपाचें आसा कारण ते बेड्स जे फूल जाता ते भुरग्याक आमी हालूंक शकना केन्ना केन्ना तो भुरगो जो एडमीट जंय जाता अरे एक मिनिट साहेब हांव उलोवन तरी दी तुझो विषय 2 मिनटान जावचो ना रे ते मेन म्हणजे कितें आहा की हे बेडां आयज 30 बेड हाचे NICU आयज आमी कमिशन करता इनॉग्रेशनाचे सोडून ताबडतोब कमिशन कर म्हणून आमी सांगला म्हणजे ते भुरगे जे आसा डॉक्टर मागीर ते भुरगे वाचोवपाचो प्रयत्न करता म्हाका कळटा की जेन्ना ते हेल्थवेन काय मणिपालान वयता तांकां त्रास जाता ते पयशे भरपाक जायना मागीर तेजे उपरांत गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजान परत हाडपाचो आमी प्रयत्न करता बेड तयार करपाक ICU जितके बेड आसता आयज बी तुमी गेल्यार ते बेडां 100% फूल असतात ते वाडोवपाची परिस्थिती आहे इवन गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज आसूं काय SSBन आयज तुम्ही पळयला तुम्ही स्वतः वयता गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजान SSBन आयज नवे प्रकारचे अँड लेटेस्ट आमी हाडलेले आता कोणी सांगले रोबोटिक हाडूंक ना रोबोटिकूच आयज न्यूरो सर्जरी बी सगळे रोबोटिकच्या माध्यमांतल्यान चलता तुम्ही जे सांगल्या हांवें म्हणूंक
म्हाका फक्त जाय की केन्ना पर्यंत जातलें
Main is that every aspect is being looked at. Honorable Speaker, you represent the North Goa and MAPSA. You know the difficulties that we have there and the things that have to be done. To get the doctors, to get intervention, it's easy to make a speech, but I have to get them, make them available. And after making them available, they come from private sector, but their expectation also in terms of salaries is much higher than the existing doctor that is on a regular basis. So there is an imbalance. And order because of that imbalance, they don't stay for a long period. And it is important for us to allow, if the House is in agreement, to open up the system so that doctors from peripheral areas and peripheral states, we should be able to recruit them in the state of Goa on contract basis. I have no problem. We need doctors. We are running short of doctors. Nurses are there. Every other aspect can be taken care of by the state of Goa. But when specialist doctors are concerned, we need to get them. We have got now Amit Maideo. Honorable CM is helping me do this interview.
क्वेश्चन टाइम काबार
विरोधी पक्ष उलयता time is up. I cannot answer any more questions.
क्वेश्चन की आणि दिनेश बोरकारान तत्काल असा म्हणून सांगले आन्सर दिता रिप्लाय शॉर्ट म्हणटा मुखेलमंत्र्यान सांगता
लोड वाडटा
तेच हांव सांगता
लोड वाडटा वचू नाका लोड तुका खबर
तितून म्हणटा तुम्ही शॉर्टफॉल तितून क्लियर कट कळटा
Vijay Sardesai. Vijay Sardesai. Wednesday,
शॉर्टफॉल हेल्थ केअर ना म्हणून जे सांगले मंत्र्यान जे इलेक्शन एफन
banner that he carried, Honorable Member Wenzi Vegas carried, 52 crores wasted in Tuan Hospital. Where is it justified?
It is justified.
Where is it justified? Do you have a CAG para? Do you have a CAG para? Do you have a CAG para? He doesn't have a CAG para. Nowhere is mentioned. He's
Justification.
no, there has to be a justification. There has to be a justification when a responsible member of the House is carrying a placard in the House.
Because they are
and it is not built by the health department and he cannot make allegations to any department. In this floor of the House, not having a CAG
Wednesday,
for a backup.
Wednesday, Vegas. Sit down. Sit
because
down.
the minister has agreed that is
I have not agreed. I need a justification of his statement.
listen
Justification.
one minute speaker sir the referrals to GMC in 2021 was 4,900 in 2025 it has become 8,100 so there is a 63% rise and what has happened all these district hospitals are mere referral centers the whole world knows it speaker sir will the minister give me an answer who is responsible for the delay in all these facilities which were supposed to come to South Goa District Hospital and how many stroke, head injury, cancer patients, whatever, were forced to travel to Bamboli because the machine was never installed. Yeah, the code, who is responsible? There to be some.
Speaker
Simple
sir,
question.
Speaker sir, the treatment protocol for strokes, apart from STEMI, which I was the one who started in the state of Goa.
No, no,
I-
Goa need
one sec.
South District
One
Hospital.
sec. I will
Specific.
come to South Goa District Hospital. आयज लोक मरता म्हणून एक मिसकन्सेप्शन लोकांक मिसगायड करपाचो प्रयत्न करू नाकात.
अरे,
कारण
reference इतले मात
जागा
जाय.
29 एक मिनिट म्हाका उत्तर दी.
Reference इतले मात जाय, लोक मारता म्हणटा.
म्हाका
Question hour is over.
सांगू नाका, म्हाका उलोव न्ही. तू उलयता जाल्यार कितें आतां तो उलयता तो
लोक मारता.
आनी जे विरोधी पार्टी सांगता तेच आयकपाचें.
Question hour सोंपलेलो. Zero hour mention. Cruz Silva. Question hour सोंपलो. Cruz.
Because fear and anxiety in the minds of residents of
Cruz Silva.
zero hour आमगे zero hour. Huh? Answer करा.
I have already called zero hour mention. तुम्ही विषय घ्यात मागीर. Zero hour mention. Cruz Silva.
ठीक है सर. Fear and fear and anxiety.
Cruz Silva.
Fear and anxiety in the minds of residents of various villages in Goa, as well as urban areas, as public notice was published on 5th January that a survey of houses within the notified villages that includes the fishing village of Ambeli in Veli constituency will commence on 6 January 2026. The program Naksha, which stands for National Geospatial Knowledge-Based Land Surveyor Urban Habitation, has been surprisingly been carried out in rural areas. Also, the date of commencement of surveys provide little or no time to the house owners who are away and abroad to be present at the site as required under this survey. This will result in untold hardship to lawful owners who will not be able to be present as no proper schedule is conveyed and sufficient time is not granted for them to make an arrangement to attend the survey. Also, the fear that the predominantly areas like Ambeli has been marked as urban areas, which will result in future hardship for the residents. Government is requested to withdraw this notification and coordinate with the concerned central government agencies to revise and reschedule the survey by including applicable areas and give adequate time for prior notice. Speaker sir, मासे minister मासे clarify करपा जाले Ambeli village urban area किता जाली?
चेक करपा लाय.
Speaker sir,
ठीक आहे सर.
it is a
उलयत आन्सर कर.
Speaker sir, it is
अरे
a pan.
बसा मरे उलयता.
It is a pan-India project initiated by Government of India under Naksha project, in which 3 urban areas of Goa are selected. Rules are already notified for the survey, and the entire survey will be done as per the notified rules. And objections will be heard.
Speaker sir, Ambeli
It is
village
already
as a
mentioned,
fully
Cruz Silva.
municipality.
Let the survey take place here. After the objection of the thing.
Honorable
Sir,
It is a part of 3
Honorable
areas
CM.
between the
Because
One
of-
is this thing here.
Cruz Silva.
Speaker sir,
Cruz Silva.
कोली म्युनिसिपालिटी आंबेली आणि त्याचं किती कनेक्शन आहे रुरल एरिया तिला कनेक्शन कायच ना
Kunkoli conference is
ना ना आंबेली किती राहिली तिला
there, no?
Cruz Silva.
विलेज आंबेली किती राहिली
Cruz
Okay,
Silva.
let me just check.
ती सर्वे नाका.
ते आमचे नाका सर्वे ते
नाका सर्वे नाका.
करता हांव हेजेर उलोवपा जाय म्हाका 2 मिनिट.
No, since it is 3 urban areas actually.
स्पीकर सर
No.
आंबेली विलेज सराउंडिंग विलेज इज ऑल
Ambeli village come on the village. Then let me just check on it.
No, no, Speaker sir,
I will have to check, so I cannot give you an answer right now.
Honorable CM.
I will check and get back to you.
Speaker sir.
Honorable CM.
I will check and get back to you.
नोटीस किट म्हणटा ते घरापासून वचून मेजबा जाता
अरे बसपाचे कितें आले
भितर वचून मेजबा जाता
मागीर ऑब्जेक्शन सजेशन सगळे आहा तेतून.
स्पीकर सर ती सर्वे कार्ड आमकां नाका ती
स्पीकर सर
No cross talk.
स्पीकर सर ते आंदोलन करता तांकां 4 जाणांक हांवें आपयल्या आनी तांकां सांगलां की आंदोलन वगीच लोकांक त्रास करून अजुनूय बी आमी उलोवपाक तेंच्या कडेन ओपन आसा 4 जाणांक हांवें ऑलरेडी आपयल्या डांबर म्हाका दिसता ते कित्याक पळोवपाक चॅक करपाक लायला
Benji Vegas.
चॅक करूंक लायले चॅक करपाक लायला
माय लॉ अँड ऑर्डर सिच्युएशन जातलें
जालें.
आनी हांवें उलोवपाकूच आपयला म्हणटा
Benji Vegas.
Fear and anxiety in the minds of several Goans across Goa who has no road access to their houses, either for general purpose or for an emergency ambulance. Right to compulsory road access of 3 meters so that an ambulance or fire brigade can go in there, and the minimum the government must do to resolve these steps the government intends to take. Because sir, with things on तुगे constituency, CMI constituency बोगून वाट्यो नाही. लोकांगे मोरोन बेस करून बेडशीटां बी घाण हाडटाय लोकां वाट नाही. सो रायट टू एक्सेस. सो दोन भाशेन कायदे, एक एनओसी आसल्यार डांबरा रस्तो, एनओसी नासतना पूण 3 मीटर वाट सोडपा म्हाका दिसता हेजी आमी डिस्कशन करपा जाय. कित्याक आजकाल सगळे मॅनिफेस्टोचे घाताय. झेडपी इलेक्शनां देखून बीजेपी जितले झेडपी बसलाय ते मॅनिफेस्टोचे घायला की रोड एक्सेस दितले म्हणून. कितकोन करतले ते खबर ना, बट हिंग म्हाका दिसता सीएमान हेजे कितें पूण एक नोटीड कितें पूण सांगपा जाय. कित्याक मरना वाट ना लोकांक एमर्जन्सी वचपाक. सीएमान मातशें उपपूर रावपाचें, रिस्पेक्ट दिवपा ह्या टॉपिकाक. रावलो.
I have noted his apprehensions. And we'll try to see what can be done.
Yuri Alamo.
Can you ask to stop? Everyone is cross talking.
Your seats. Sankalp Amandkar.
ना रे तू सिटाचे बसपा केला मुगेले ना रे बोसो लायला तेणे बोसो लायला
Speaker sir, माननीय मुख्यमंत्री माझे ऐक. Speaker sir, the attention of the House is drawn to the issue of grave and escalating civic and environmental crisis due to the pollution in the Kunkolim industrial estate and its surrounding areas of untreated water released by fish mill plants in open areas. The ETP of the fish mill units are not working again, resulting in untreated discharge at various places to health and contamination of source of water. There is fear and anxiety due to approvals to additional fish mill plant outside the industrial area. Further, heaps of hazardous waste dumped at different locations in the industrial estate and the vicinity poses risk to life, safety and security, more particularly during monsoons as the hazardous materials contaminate nearby streams and water bodies. It was assured in the House that the hazardous waste would be removed by September 2025, but no action is taken. There is also additional fear that one MS Shirdi Steel Re-Rollers Private Limited company is encroaching the land of Sociedad in Kunkolim for its extension despite civil suit is pending before the court in regard to this lease and default payment. This said company is carrying out work illegally. Speaker sir, ये माननीय मुख्यमंत्री हांव सांगपाक सोदता. His sister is married in Kunkolim. He knows all the problems. थोडेशे तुझ्या आमदार ह्या दिसांनी चोड उसोटाय हिंगा हे फिश मिल हाडपाक. हांव तुका सांगपाक सोदता. I will be forced to name. These people are not allowed there because of one current fish mill is there. Illegally. तू केन्ना फॉर्मेलिनाच्या मोगान पडो. तू हे मरे अगेन्स्ट हाडलो. स्पीकर सर, येसल्यो इंडस्ट्रीज आमकां आमच्या कुंकोळी नाका. हे मुखेलमंत्री स्पश्ट दिलेले आसा. आनी एक थिंगा इंडस्ट्री हाडपाचो प्रयत्न ह्या सरकारान आहले मनीस कोत्ता. आय विल बी फोर्स टू एक्सपोज इट. चोड उसोणाकाय इतली दादागिरी हिंग चलपाना. स्पीकर सर, ही दादागिरी आता मुखेलमंत्री हांव आफ्टर द असेंब्ली सेशन आय विल गेट द पीपल टू यू. कुंकोळ जर पेट्टोले न्हू गोंय पेट्टोले. हे तू खबर आहा Krantikar Lok, I will bring all of them once and for all. All these polluted projects we do not want. And you all are getting additional fish meal.
स्पीकर सर नोटेड त्यांनी कितें सांगलां तें लक्षांत घेतलां हांव चॅक करता
ना तू हांव असेंब्ली हाडले तें घेना
कृष्णा सालकर.
तू रिझॉल्व कर ते हॅझर्डस वेस्ट तशें आहा सगळे तशें आहा
Speaker sir,
हुकुमशाही घाल दादागिरी परस हुकुमशाही घाल हुकुमशाही
Speaker sir, I wish to draw.
हा चोड जाल्या तू यो येशी तू यो रोकडो यो मातशें आतां दिसा सारकें करुया तें
Speaker sir, I wish to draw to the attention of this house to the deep fear and anxiety that the IRB constables in Goa face due to prolonged career stagnation. Following the creation of common cadre by emerging the first, second and the third IRB battalions, many constables now face prospects of retiring in the same rank, which is highly demoralizing. Sir, these IRB constables are already working in the core Goa police units, police stations, traffic, coastal security, ATS, cyber crime, crime branch and security units. At the time when there is an acute shortage of police staff, trained IRB personnel are available and willing to work. The government had earlier allowed home guards to be absorbed in the Goa police, a progressive decision which has taken positive results. I urge the Honorable CM and Home Department to consider seriously merger or absorption of these eligible and willing IRB constables into the Goa police in the interest of justice, public safety and also boost to their morale. Honorable CM कडे request, हे IRB officials सगळ्याकडे म्हणजे सगळी कामां करतात. पोलीस स्टेशनार, ट्रॅफिक पोलिसान, कोस्टल सेक्युरिटी सगळ्याकडे करता आणि तांकां आज जेन्ना गोंयान एक्यूट शॉर्टेज आसा जाल्यार हे ट्रेंड IRB ऑफिशियल्स आसा तांकां एब्झॉर्ब करपाक सीएमान एक निर्णय घेवचो एक प्रोग्रेसीव तुमी घेतिल्ले आसा हाजे पयलीं जे होमगार्ड आशिल्ले आसा नाल्यार IRB आसा तांकां घेतिल्ले आसा आनी ते विलिंग कोण आसा सर विलिंगनेस घेतले जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता दे कॅन बी एब्झॉर्ब ताजेर एक निर्णय तुमी घेवचो आनी हे जे तांकां डिमोरलायझींग एक इफेक्ट आसा तो पॉझिटिव्ह करून तांकां कामाक लावचें अशें म्हाका ऑनरेबल सीएमाक रिक्वेस्ट करून दिसता.
स्पीकर सर चॅक कर
Shri Vijay Sadasa.
Speaker sir, I want to draw the attention of the Honorable Chief Minister specifically to the fear and anxiety prevailing among the members of the Sunni Jamia Masjid in Margam as its executive body committee was allegedly fabricated using forged signatures and without any general body approval, false records were submitted to the district registrar which amounts to fraud, illegal takeover and misuse of a public religious trust. I demand that strict action be taken against all the persons involved in this fraud. गेले खेपे अंजुमन म्हणते संस्थेचेर अशेंच हांवें पॉयंट आउट केल्लें मुखेलमंत्र्यान म्हाका सांगिल्लें एक्शन जातली कांय एक्शन जालें ना ऑन द कॉन्ट्ररी आतां मस्जिद टेक ओवर केल्या सो हांव मागतां की एक फ्रेश डेमोक्रेटीक इलेक्शन जावचें अंडर द सुपरविजन ऑफ द गव्हर्मेंट एंड एज पर लॉ. स्पीकर सर अशी सगळ्यात व्हडली मस्जिद मडगांवची ती अशी टेक ओवर करून जाता अशें जावंक जायना. दीस इज क्रिएटिंग डिसयुनिटी अमंग द हे अशें दिसूंक जायना की बीजेपी मुसलमानां मदीं फूट हाडटा म्हणून तें जावपाक जायना. हांव म्हणटा इलेक्शन घे स्ट्रिक्ट सुपरविजनाचेर सरकारच्या हातून इलेक्शन घे इमिजिएट घे.
स्पीकर सर हांव रजिस्ट्राराक पयलीं चॅक करपा लायता कितें मॅटर आहा तें त्यानुसार ताका इन्स्ट्रक्शन दिता कायद्यान कितें आहा तें कर.
Shri Rodolphe Fernandez.
Because of fear and anxiety in the minds of the people of Chimel village due to the dilapidated condition of the service road for the main water supply pipeline running from Wadi Merces to Chimel. What steps will the government take to resolve the same? Because sir, कितें जाला न्हू मेरसे वाडी सान चिमेल एक मेन पायपलायन येयलेली आहा आनी ताका एक सर्वीस रोड आहलो तो सारको डिलेपिडेटेड कंडिशनान आहा आनी ते पायपलायनींग काम करतलो जाल्यार थिंगा गाडी वचोंक पासून मेळना. ताका लागून हांव मागता मिनिस्टरा कडेन हें काम अर्जंटली घेवचें कित्याक ते पळय सिमिटाचे पळय कॉलम आहा ती पायपलायन थांबोवपाक ताका क्रॅक केलेले आनी ते केन्नाय मोडले जाल्यार उदीक म्हाका दिसता एटलिस्ट एक वीक तरी लोकांक उदीक हाडचें ना. म्हाका ह्या मिनिस्टरान म्हाका हेजेर एश्युरन्स दिवन म्हाका सांगचें कित्याक तो मेन सर्वीस रोड तो रिपेर जावंक जाय.
Shri Sankalp Amonkar.
water connection in nature काढलं निर्णय.
Because, sir, the attention of the House is drawn to the serious concern being raised by the people of Goa, particular residents of Murmagaon Taluka, regarding the sharp and unprecedented increase in the newly revised minimum land rates. The revised rates are excessive, unreasonable and unfair, and are having a severe adverse impact on the common man. The new rates have been increased in the range of 597% to as high as 2,857% in various areas of Murmagaon Taluka. Such steep hike have placed land ownership far beyond the reach of ordinary citizens, making it extremely difficult for them to purchase land and simultaneously bear the substantial increased stamp duty and registration charges. Further, the revised rate have significant tax implication for both seller and buyer, thereby imposing an additional and heavy financial burden on all parties involved. In view of the above, the government may kindly take the step it proposed to take to review, rationalize or roll back this excessive increase in order to protect the interest of common men and ensure fairness and affordability in land transaction. Steps the government intend to take in this regard.
Shri Chandrakant Shetty.
Speaker, sir, the department is looking into it, and the needful will be done soon.
Speaker, sir, fear, anger and resentment in the mind of the people as the escalating monkey menace plaguing Nanoda, Latambarse, part of Sal and surrounding areas in Bicholim constituency as well as across the entire state of Goa. Monkeys pose a grave threat to the livelihood, lives and agriculture produce of our rural farmers, destroying vital crops like coconut, arecanuts, bananas and more, while even endangering children in affected region. I have repeatedly raised this critical issue, first in 0 hour during the last assembly and more recently through a star question in this session. Yet the response received remained wholly unsatisfactory and failed to grasp the dire intensity of the situation. This is no mere monkey business to be neglected. These primates are devastating our rural agriculture economy, pushing farmers into deeper distress. I urge the government to treat this with the highest priority and provide categorically action point on human measures they intend to implement immediately, including sterilization drives, solar fencing subsidies, bioacoustic deterrents, and a dedicated task force for Bicholim and entire Goa. The people demand swift, effective intervention now.
Shri Preman Shetty.
Because there is fear and anxiety in the minds of employees appointed on a contractual basis. Government Polytechnic Mayam Bicholim advertised various posts, namely technician 2 posts, technician electronics 1 post, assistant electrician 1 post, driver heavy vehicle 1 post, attendant 1 post, peon 1 post, security guard 3 posts, respectively. Dated on July 2013. And accordingly, the said employees were selected on recommendation of Director of Education, Parvaring, and a post in the Government Polytechnic, Mayam Bicholim, dated on 10 June 2013, as per the terms and conditions of contract agreement. Later on, they were appointed at Government Polytechnic, Mayam Bicholim on the terms and conditions under Goa Recruitment Employment Society, Shram Shakti Bhavan, Panjim, dated on 29/2013. Personnel Department wide circular dated on 2/9/2016 decided to obtain information from various government departments, autonomous body, to create a database of such contractual employees, that is Group C and D category, working in the respective organization for the last 5 to 10 years. Further, Personnel Department wide circular dated on 18/12/2017 instructed various departments to submit data of contractual staff Group C engaged on contract basis who are sometimes engaged for long duration, as a government is considered to formulate policy guidelines for such contractual staff who were working for the last 5 to 10 years. In pursuance of Foresight Circular of Personnel Department, and since employees who were duly recommended by the Selection Committee and the Director of Technical Education, Parvarim, and posted in the Government Polytechnic Mayam Bicholim, and later on by Goa Recruitment and Employment Society dated on 29/2014, offered appointment letter and posted them in the Government Polytechnic Mayam Bicholim. Until that, in spite of circular of Personnel Department, these employees are working under Goa Recruitment and Employment Society on contract basis. That is from the year 10/6/2013 till date. That is almost 13 years without regularizing of their services nor monetary benefits and no security in the services in spite of having their big families to support their and regular services in the limbo. Considering the high cost of living with large family to support and uncertainty of the services better, employees are mounted and crowded with the fear and anxiety to overcome bleak future of himself and his family in the long run. Speaker sir, हे एम्प्लॉईजचे आसला ते 12-13 एम्प्लॉईज ऑन कॉन्ट्रॅक्च्युअल घेतलेले पयलीं मागीर तांकां गोवा रिक्रुटमेंट सोसायटीन घेतले.
Honorable Member.
The contractual staff has been appointed by Education Department. We'll check with the concerned department for further course of action.
Shri Naresh Cabral and Alton Costa.
Because of fear and anxiety in the minds of carnival float participants and traditional cultural groups across Goa regarding their participation in the forthcoming carnival festivals. Carnival is an internationally recognized cultural event. Despite steep rise in cost of fabrication, logistics, manpower and materials, Honorable Speaker, the first prize amount of 1 lakh has become grossly inadequate, making it difficult for participation to even recover the expenditure. This has created apprehension that many traditional groups may opt out, which will adversely affect the quality and cultural richness of the carnival. Considering the international stature of the event and large inflow of tourists during the carnival period, there is a genuine demand for revision of enhancement of prize money ahead of the forthcoming carnival scheduled on 14 to 17 February. I request the Honorable Tourism Minister to apprise this House of the steps the government intends to take to revise the prize money and provide adequate support to carnival participants so that this iconic festival continues with full spirit and dignity.
Joint.
Because this is the same.
Same thing. Sang.
We have jointly taken. Because sir, हांव मातशें एक दोन आनी सांगता कित्याक मुगेले कॅप्टनचे बाप राहुल पेरेरा म्हणून लायक चेअरपर्सन बीन he has specially told us to take up this. काबराल बाराबरी गेल्लो. So the 1 लाखात एटलीस्ट मिनिमम 5 लाख एकूच लाख
तुझ्या वाड्याला 20, 30, 35
ट्रेडिशनल कॅटेगरी कार्निवल
20, 35
1 लाख 3 लाख तरी कोरी
कसं
3 लाख
कार्निवलाक जेन्ना आमी निलेश तुझे रिप्लाय मातसो राव बिकॉज कार्निवलचो विशय जो आसा आमी बल्क अमाउंट दितात. ईच कमिटी जी आसता डिसाइड्स खंयच्या फ्लोटाक कितें दिवप खंयच्या
चुकीचे
ट्रेडिशनल आसा क्लब इन्स्टिट्यूशनल आसा फंक जंक आसा फॅमिली आसा क्लाउन जोकर आसा वेगळे वेगळे कॅटेगरीज आसता फॉर वीच द टोटल अमाउंट इज गिवन 20-23 समज टोटल अमाउंट टू 5 सेंटर वॉज अराउंड 6 सेंटर वॉज 40,50,000 टोटल प्राइज मनी. फॉर एक्झाम्पल मडगांव वॉज गिवन 7,35,000 एज प्राइज मनी. तोच 26 आमी ऑलरेडी 1 लाख वाडयलो पयर 1 लाख वाडयलो ऑन द प्राइज मनी. आता प्राइज मनी डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कशी करप ही कमिटी डिसाइड करता. एडिशनली लॉट ऑफ कमिटी टेक प्रायव्हेट स्पॉन्सर्स टू एनहान्स देअर कार्निवल फ्रॉम द इफेक्ट वेर इट इज. हावेवर जे दोन्ही प्रश्न घाल्ले आसा फायनान्शियल इम्प्लिकेशन आशिल्ल्यान मुख्यमंत्री कडेन उलोवन कितें वाडोवंक जाय तें वाडोवन घेवया.
Otherwise, those committees which are there, ते आपणे डिसिजन घेता एक कॅपिंग लेट द गव्हर्नमेंट टेक अ डिसिजन नो कित तरी करपा आता
प्राइज मनी कितलो दिवस आमी पडना
1 लाखान कितें
प्राइज मनी कमिटी डिसाइड करता कमिटी
प्राइस मनी गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफ टुरिझम डिपार्टमेंट दिता आणि फॉर्मेट डिपार्टमेंट दिता
वाडोवपाचे मागला आमी वाडोवपाचे मुख्यमंत्र्याची चर्चा करूया आणि उलोवया
ना 1 लाख हा 1 लाख करपा मग तेंगे डिमांड 1 लाख हा तो फर्स्ट प्राइस नो नो देयर इज अ प्राइस
परत मुद्दा सांगता टोटल अमाउंट जो येता एक मिनिट मातशें एकूच आयक टोटल अमाउंट जो येता तो आमी कमिटीक दिता तो अमाउंट वाडोवपाक कितें जाय ते मुख्यमंत्री कडेन उलयता तातून ते फर्स्ट प्राइज कितलो दिवपाचो सेकंड प्राइज कितलो दिवपाचो तांणी त्या कमिटीक सांगून दिवपाक लावचो आमी टोटल अमाउंट दितले
technicality. Our demand is that you increase whatever is the funding that is given to the bodies. We are asking for increase in funding. Because in other words, that is the issue.
स्पीकर सर ऑलरेडी सांगले बाब निलेश काब्राल बाब विषय मांडला टोटल अमाउंट जो वाढूंक जाय
आता बरं
स्पीकर सर टोटल प्राइज मनी वाडोवपाचेर उलोवया इंडिविज्युअल कमिटी कितले वाडले ते आमी पडोवंक शकना टोटल प्राइज मनी कितलो वाडोवंक जाय ऑलरेडी ह्या वर्सा 1 लाख वाडयलो ऑन द प्राइज मनी आनीकूय वाडोवंक जाय जाल्यार मागीर मुख्यमंत्री कडेन उलोवन चर्चा करूया
प्रवीण आलेकर
स्पीकर सर fear and anxiety in the mind of the people of Penna constituency that there is no direct KTCL bus service from Penna bus station to Panjim at 8 hours. The side bus was in operation and had been stopped by KTCL. Will the Minister of Transport assure on the floor of the House that upcoming new first electric bus will be deployed on the route from Penne to Panjim via Mapsa at least? Speaker sir.
Yeah, Honorable Minister.
Transport Minister आमकां हांगासर उत्तर दिवचें कितें ही आमची एक बस आहा पळय ती खूब तेंप जालो बंद केल्ली आसा ताका खूब फावटी सांगला पण अजूनय ती बस हे जावंक ना
मेन्शन
स्टार्ट जावंक ना
मेन्शन केलं Honorable Minister.
I already instructed the MD Kadamba Transport Corporation
Shri Ullas
to do
Naikar.
the needful. Thank you.
Fear and anxiety in the minds of people of Salset Taluka. Yes, there is only one single fire station at Ake Margaon in Salset Taluka that caters emergency services to 7 assembly constituencies. It becomes very difficult in simultaneously attending multiple locations during various emergency conditions like fire incident or in clearing uprooted fallen trees. The Nessa industrial estate can be considered in setting up new industrial fire station which would be beneficial for swift action in providing emergency services across Salset Taluka. Speaker sir, 7 मतदारसंघात एक फायर स्टेशन आसा आणि चड करून पावसाच्या दिसांनी जेन्ना झाडां बी पडटा तेन्ना जेन्ना आमी फायर स्टेशनाक आमी जेन्ना फोन करता तेन्ना ते सांगता की 1 वरान आमी पावतले आमी दुसरे कडेन खंय तरी आसा तेन्ना म्हाका सरकारा कडेन विनंती करता ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर की सालसेटीन जर न्यू इंडस्ट्रियल इन्स्टिट्यूट घातले जाल्यार सगळ्या बाकीच्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीक बरें पडटलें.
Noted, Speaker, sir.
Shri Govind Gowde.
I wish to draw the attention of this Augusta House to the serious difficulties being faced by the beneficiaries of economically weaker, essential housing needs. Houses allotted across the various parts of the state of Goa. It is the matter of grave concern that several EHN houses, though already allotted and occupied, are still without basic amenities such as potable drinking water connections and the electrical supply connections. The beneficiaries who belong to the economical weaker section are forced to live under extremely difficult and the inhuman conditions. Despite repeated applications, representations, files related to the water and electricity connections, to that concerned houses are pending for long periods with both the government departments, leading to the unnecessary hardships and delay. The lack of coordination by the concerned departments are causing unavoidable suffering to poor families. I request both the Honorable Minister of the Public Work and Minister for Power Supply to kindly intervene immediately, ensure time-bound clearance of pending files, and direct the concerned officers of the department to provide basic civic amenities without further delay to all EHN housing beneficiaries. This issue requires urgent attention in the interest of the social justice and human dignity in public interest is concerned. Speaker sir, in थोडेशा हांव elaborate करता.
No. Mention.
झाले म्हणल्यार केन्ना जातलें?
Honorable Minister, the House is extended by 5 minutes.
एक मिनिट. दिव्या राणेचा आसा, this is a matter of High Court decision and CM is going to answer this if required.
No, Speaker sir, म्हाका एकूच सांगपाक जाय की जे घरां हायकोर्ट आपले कोमुलदादीचेर जमनीचेर आसात किंवा गव्हर्नमेंटल लँडाचेर त्यांनी बांदिल्ले आसात अशे केसीस तुम्ही कन्सिडर न केल्या कोताय घेता पूण जेंचे डॉक्युमेंटेशन क्लियर आसा ह्या घराक तरी तुम्ही लायट कनेक्शन्स आणि उदकाचे कनेक्शन दिवचे अशें हांवें फाटले फावटी मागणी केल्ली आशिल्ली त्या वेळार ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टरान सांगिल्लें आशिल्लें वी विल लुक इन टू द मॅटर बट आज 6 महिने जाले ह्यो सगळ्यो काही गोष्टी जायना कारण ही बेसिक एम्युनिटी आसात दो द हायकोर्ट हॅज गिवन अ डायरेक्शन्स आय थिंक इट इज अवर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी इट इज अ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ द गव्हर्नमेंट हू द गव्हर्नमेंट इटसेल्फ हॅज गिवन द नंबर टू दिस पीपल आणि म्हणूनच माझी मागणी परत एकदा आसा हे सगळे ह्युमॅनिटी ग्राउंडाचेर तुम्ही कन्सिडर करून इमिडिएटली दोन्ही डिपार्टमेंटांनी जे कन्सर्न कोणाचेच काय ऑब्जेक्शन ना आणि आपली स्वतःची जमीन घेऊन त्यांच्यानी ही घर बांधिल्ली आसा तांकां दिवचे अशें म्हजे प्रामाणीक आणि सिन्सियर मागणी परत एकदा ह्या ऑगस्ट हाऊसाक आसा.
स्पीकर सर, ऑनरेबल मेंबर बाब गोविंद गावडे हांणी जो विशय मांडला तो सिरियस विशय आसा म्हज्या तकलेन आसा. आमी AHN नंबराचेर हाऊस आनी इलेक्ट्रिकल कनेक्शन हाज्या पयलीं दिताले हितून 2 डिपार्टमेंटनी तिसरे डिपार्टमेंट पंचायत डिपार्टमेंटूय इन्वॉल्व आसा. AHN नंबराक आमी सगळ्या जाणांक हाऊस कनेक्शन आनी इलेक्ट्रिकल कनेक्शन हाज्या पयलीं दिताले. हायकोर्टात हे बॅन केलें आनी हायकोर्टात बॅन केल्या उपरांत आमकां ऑलरेडी म्हणजे लिगल हाजेर AG आनी आमची लिगल टिमूय हे करता की हेजेर लेजिस्लेचर येवपाचो काय सुप्रीम कोर्टात हे ती म्हाका विदीन फ्यू डेज वी आर कमिंग अप विथ अ ऑर्डिनन्स ह्या विशयाचेर आनी आमी तांकां जाता तितके बेगीन उदक आनी लायट जी एक्झिस्टींग घरां तेका दितले. जाल्यार कितें मोठ्या प्रमाणात स्लम डेव्हलपमेंट जाल्ल्या कारणान मायग्रन्सी जाल्ल्या कारणान ताका हेन्सफोर्थ तूं जो विशय म्हणटा
Proper गोयकार.
त्या खातीर ताका पंचायतीकूय बी एखादो अमेंडमेंट हाडचो पडटलो की एटलिस्ट म्हणजे बाबा आपल्या जागेत बांदलेलें घर म्हणजे तेजी लँड तरी टायटल क्लियर आसता ताका दिवचे हाजेर आमी ऑर्डिनन्स जो आसा पळय हो पंचायतीकूय काडचो पडटा तो काडटा आनी जाता तितके बेगीन म्हणजे हे सोल्युशन धरून जाल्यार 15 दीस ते 1 म्हयन्याच्या भितर सोल्युशन येतलें हांव इतकें एश्युअर करता.
श्री हरीश बोरकर.
Thank you. Speaker sir, attention of the House is drawn to a very sensitive issue regarding traditional fishermen and Rapankars. As the department has not officially notified fish landing center for the canoes, as in many areas such as Shridav, Bamolim, Naushi, Agasaim, Goavela, Dongri, Nevra. Speaker sir, कितें जाला आतां आमी बामोळे त्या दिसा एक इश्यू जालो तो म्हणजे रिटेनिंग वॉल बांदता आनी थंय जो फिशिंग कॅनोज दवरपाचो स्पेस आसा तो स्पेसीचेर स्पीकर सर थंय बसून पावले. सो हांव डिपार्टमेंटाक वचोन मेळलो डेप्युटी डायरेक्टर आसलो फिशरीजाचो ताका डिमांड केल्लो की हें नोटिफाय करचें म्हणून. सो अजून पर्यंत नोटिफाय करूंक ना आनी अशें हांगाच आमच्या स्वातंत्र्य मतदारसंघानूच न्हू गोंयान कितलेशे अशे हें आसा त्यो कॅनोज दवरपाच्यो आसा त्यो नोटिफाय करपाची गरज आसा. हांव मागता मिनिस्टराक तेंच्यांनी एश्युरन्स दिवचें की ह्या सगळ्यो ज्यो प्लेसीस आसा ट्रेडिशनल प्लेसीस त्यो नोटिफाय करच्यो म्हणून.
Honorable Minister.
नुस्तेकारांच्यो पोनयो दवरता पळय तो
चेक विथ द फिशरीज डिपार्टमेंट इज हियर चेक करता.
आन्सर करता मिनिस्टराक करता एश्युरन्स दिवनी.
I'll look into the matter.
Alice Lawrence.
Speaker sir, I draw the attention of the House as regards to the concerns of genuine Goan diaspora who during the travel back to India with gold items including jewelry find existing gold allowance value cap under Customs Act disheartening. As a limit or maximum permissible limit was fixed years ago. Also, it is not kept pace with inflation and current gold prices. The action the state government intends to take or requesting the central government to make certain amendments intends to take for redressing the grievances of our Goan overseas workers, Goan NRIs, by recommending to the central government to revise its limits and move to a weight-based allowance system for the benefit of the entire Indian diaspora by moving away from outdated gold jewelry duty-free limits and establishing a fixed allowance limit on weight in grams instead of the changing market prices. There is a need to revise the existing gold value cap. I would request the Honorable Chief Minister to take up this issue with the central government and see that there is relief for our people.
Noted, Speaker, sir.
The House is extended by 5 minutes. Shri Divya Rane.
Speaker, sir, the question is the same question raised by Honorable Member Shri Govind Gowde ji. But आमचे मातशे हांगा 70 तालुकान कितें जागे आमचे अलवाराचेर आसा. So the issue is because of that. So till the माझे घर scheme is लोकांक आपले identity.
Papers to be laid. Chief Minister.
Sir, I lay on the table of the House the papers shown against my name in today's list of business.
The House is adjourned till 2:30.
हांव गोमंतक वाचतां. गोमंतकाची आक्रमक भूमिका गोंयकारपण राखपा खातीर हाचे खातीरच गोमंतक वाचपाची गरज आसा.